Looking for Steve. Steve is that man at the end of the bar. That's Steve. Steve's about to get a phone call from Lynn. Is she getting him? What? Tom, go get the phone. Phone's ringing.
Hello, Tom. Can I please speak to Steven at the bar? I believe he's at the end of the bar with the glasses on. Yeah, tell him he's got a phone call. Damn it! Call him. Page him.
There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Ask him if his refrigerator's running.
Who could be calling me?
He's calling Steve.
Hi, Steven. Hi, is your refrigerator running? Oh, good. You probably should go catch it.
Hang up. Just hang up. Just hang up. Just hang up. Don't. Look at his face, dude. This is absolutely hysterical. Just don't even say anything, Tom. Don't say nothing. Don't give it away. Don't give it away. Don't give it away. Get out of the way, Cialis. Watch. Here he goes. Watch. He's gonna sit down. He's gonna sit down and be like, someone just asked me if my. So I don't know. Like, is your number the same as mine? Cause don't tell him, Tom. Don't tell him. Just let it go. Just let it go. Just let it go.
If anybody calls again, I'm not here.
What'd they say? Why? What'd they say?
Is your refrigerator running? Who the hell?
That's like a track.
Just shut up. Just shut up.
Yeah. I have no idea. Kristen told me you had a phone call from downstairs.
So is this your number?
Yeah.
So if I. So maybe we should like exchange numbers. Oh my god. Dude, this is hysterical. This is absolutely probably the best prank ever. How did they know I was here? I was just like, Jesus, how did they know I was here? Hold on. Smile. I got you and Steve in the same picture. Awesome. Okay, so that is your number. That is okay, cool.
Yep.